Hello, it is JC Toad. It's August 23rd, 2014, and I'm going to attempt to demonstrate the control problems with the v272 by WLToys. What will happen is that they will just start to fly off in their own little direction, and you cannot bring them back. So I have multiple quads that all have this issue. Okay, it's going good right now. We'll take it to the left a little bit. Okay, and there she goes, taking off like a rocket across the street. So if you were watching there and I did what I think I did, when it started taking off away from me, I pulled it back. It did no good. I let go of the throttle. It should have stabilized where it was, but it didn't. It just kept right on going. And I waited till it got across the street into the grass before I dropped it to try to avoid damaging it. Let's give it another try. Okay, flying good now. See, she's taking off to the right. I'm trying to bring it back, It won't come back. Yeah, that's a typical sort of flight pattern that I will get out of one of these things. I have found that if you leave them sit on the shelf for several days, a week maybe, and try to fly them again, they will fly all right for a couple flights, and then they will do the same sort of behavior. Some of them will fly off to the right like that. I've had some that will fly like backwards on you. They'll go all different directions. But even full throttle to try to, full control in the opposite direction will not bring them back to where they should be. There's something going on here. I've changed props, I've changed batteries in the transmitter, I've changed batteries in the quads. I've had one that did that, and I bought a new circuit board. I changed the circuit board in it, and it still did the same thing with a new circuit board, which makes me wonder if it isn't a motor that's possibly going bad. Which one? Who knows, because the motors sound okay. You need to replace all 4 motors to see if that's really what's going on. I have tried to recalibrate these. That did no good. So I don't know, but I have, I'm not sure. I have about 4 of these right now. 3, I guess I have 3 right now that are all doing this, and I only have 1 left that will fly normally and correctly at this point. So as far as I can figure, this has got to be some kind of quality control problem from the factory. I thought that some of these issues were caused by crash damage, but now what I'm thinking is that they flew out of control on me and then they crashed and got damaged. So the crash did not cause the damage, but the erratic flight control ended up being the cause of the crash itself. I don't know what to tell you. I got these from T-Mart, and I'm going to be contacting T-Mart tech support with this video, and hopefully they can help me resolve these issues with these copters, because there's just something that is not right with them. These are 2 other ones here that also have the exact same sort of behavior, where they just fly out of control at any given time. And there's another copter too, which which also has the same sort of problem. Well, welcome to my world of frustration. Bye. These are all my v272s that I've purchased. This is the only one that still will fly properly. All the rest of them have the out of control problem. This was a board which I had bought the replacement board for. and it still has the problem even after replacing the board. I don't know. It's frustrating. There's a lot of money tied up in those stupid little quads to have basically only one of them remaining still working.